I'm Saji Joseph, Director of Engineering at Customer Experience Office, responsible for predictive analytics and AI apps as part of NetApp ActiveIQ portfolio. My focus is to help customers detect and avoid issues in their data centers by applying AI and analytics on the telemetry data sent by our deployed systems in their data centers. We also help customers automate solutions by applying AI ops techniques. When I was introduced to Continual Engine, I was impressed with the fact that they have a well developed and matured AI engine that can automate conversion of complex diagrams and tables, etc., to readable text. It can do a lot more. However, we at NetApp were challenged with a similar problem when we wanted to consume documentation and KB articles for automating remediations. Continual Engine had already marked success with math and science topics. So we did our experiment with our documents to see how well their engine recognized typical software and computer related collaterals. I would admit their work and their AI engine really impressed me. With that, I am pleased to introduce and welcome Mausmi Kapoor, founder and CEO of Continual Engine, to the NetApp Accelerator Demo Day. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I'm Maushmi Kapoor, founder and CEO of Continual Engine, and I'm thankful for this amazing opportunity to share the story of Continual Engine with you. Machine learning has come a long way. It's amazing how machines can read, recognize, and interpret information from images, video, and audio. Thanks to recent developments in AI and machine learning technology, these applications are becoming more and more mainstream. These capabilities are propelling our world forward, driving business efficiencies, automation, and new opportunities worth billions of dollars. But machines still struggle to correctly read and interpret complex images containing graphs, mathematical and chemical equations, statistical research and business data, and financial statements. If machines could interpret this complex image-based content quickly and accurately, they would enable revolutionary new applications and usher the next generation of AI-based automation. If machines could do this, it would create unprecedented support for the 1 billion people with visual disabilities around the world, who, by the way, have a spending power of over $6 trillion and whose problems are receiving increasing attention by policymakers. It would also save billions of dollars spent on tagging images with alt text for search by edtech companies. It would change the game for learning apps like PhotoMath, which, despite being very popular with 250 million odd downloads, still struggle with image-rich questions and offer manual tutor support for that. It would save tens of billions of dollars spent in laborious and error-prone manual analysis of accounts by auditors and finance personnel. It will be done eventually, but wouldn't it be great if all of this could be done today? Well, welcome to the future. We have been doing all of this and more for the best educational institutions in the world. This is the next big leap in AI-based automation that we spoke about. We are transforming learning and accessibility using AI. We are a 4-year-old company guided by 20 years of experience and expertise in technology, products, and learning. We are on a mission to transform content for more equitable learning, greater accessibility, and exponentially improved efficiency. So Continual Engine is the Shazam for complex image-rich content. Our proprietary AI engines automate the interpretation of complex images like this physics diagram shown here into an English language description that's more accurate than even an expert would be able to describe. Now let's see how it works. Let's take this graph. How does our machine process this graph? First, it identifies the axis, then it identifies the plot, then it identifies the key salient points of this plot, like the entry point, exit point, and intersection and inflection points. And then it stitches all this information together into an English description. Our AI engines can extract features from images like this chemistry diagram with a click of a button to power learning solutions which could not have been imagined earlier. And we can convert non-interactive images of accounting tables into editable Excel table or HTML or a long description, automating time-consuming and error-prone human analysis. So we have two key products. Invicta, a vision AI platform for mathematics, chemistry, physics, tabular, and economics images, and Prep, which is a platform that automates the tagging and digitization of documents such as PDFs, and is a powerful and easier to use and more efficient alternative to tools like Adobe Acrobat. Our business model is SaaS plus services. We have a current ARR of $650,000 and customers with a high lifetime value of $8 to $10 million. We grew our revenues 3x in 2021 to $750,000 and are projected to grow 6x to a revenue of $4.5 million this year. The TAM is massive and the serviceable market is a few $billion. So we spent the last couple of years building and optimizing our automation capabilities for K-12 and higher ed. This year, we plan to scale up by increasing the share of wallet with existing customers, add newer customers, and then use our APIs for new use cases and expand to other markets like healthcare and finance. We are currently in the process of securing a Series A funding of $5 to $6 million to turbocharge our revenues to 10x. This will be used for business development, marketing, continued product development, and customer support. We've received a lot of interest from investors and are looking to finalize a lead investor for this round. And finally, we have a very strong team based out of US and in India who are experts in technology, product, and learning space. Thank you for your time today, and a big thanks to the NetApp Accelerator program for providing me with this opportunity.